Hello everyone, I'm Masih Khairi and welcome to another tutorial. Okay guys, in this tutorial we're going to design this text, and this video is gonna be fantastic and amazing for those who want to implement this style in any text. Okay guys, let's get to start. Open the Photoshop and wait a minute. Okay guys, now create another project, and and now the color should be black. Select this tool and click in here. Now now it's black, and select the text, type your text, and my text is tick. Okay, and the text should be Arial and black, and the size should be 150. Select these tools, and now select the background and this now here, and that's it. Sorry guys, this should be tick. Okay, and that's it. That's okay. And here the text should be at the center. Okay, and now Ctrl+E to merge the layers. Now duplicate the main layer, duplicate the layer, and and this layer should be selected. Now an image and my rotation, select this, and then here the filter, the stylize, we need the wine filter. This should be selected from the left, and Ctrl+F for the second time, and now an image rotation, select this. Okay guys, now in here in filter we need the Gaussian blur. Okay, and now in the filter and stylize we need the Solaris filter. Okay guys, now Ctrl+Shift+L. okay, and that's it. Now hide this layer and select this layer, and the image rotation, select this, and now in filter and stylize we need the wine filter. Okay guys, now click the OK and Ctrl+F for the second time, and now in the image rotation, select this. That's it. Now guys, in the filter we need the blue, the Gaussian blur. Okay, and now in filter and image gallery we need from the artistic, and here is the plastic warp. Okay, and now the plastic warp. Now select this tool, and using the shift you can select these text. Select this text. Okay, select the text carefully. Okay guys, okay, now in here guys we need Shift+F6, and okay, and now in here in filter gallery, and from the sketch we need the base relief, and okay, and now Ctrl+I to invert this, and now in filter gallery we need the chrome filter, and okay, and Ctrl+I to invert this, and now guys we need to deselect this using Ctrl+D, and then filter, here is the stylize and the Solaris filter. Okay guys, now Ctrl+Shift+L. okay, and to apply the auto level, and now in here guys we need to press Ctrl+U and check this colorize, and the color should be this color, and now okay, and now in here and hide this layer and Ctrl+U. now select the colorize, and in here select the color as the same as previous layer, and okay, now in here we need to use from the lighten, and that's it. Okay guys, this is the design that you want to implement, and you can implement this design to any text that you want. Thank you for watching, and share the video.